All right, so I got these Cortex screws here. They're a hidden fastening system. They come with a bunch of screws and a bunch of caps for the screws and a couple of these little drill bits. These drill bits have a little stopper, so you can't over drill through the decking, and it makes it just right to put the plug on top. It sets it just right. So, then you have to buy a 7/32 drill bit also to pre-drill. And if you're using this Trex Enhance, it's got these little scallops in it, so it's not full depth all the way. So they come with a lid, and the lid has a little template, so you can hit these fat parts instead of the scalloped out parts. If you hit the scalloped out parts, there won't be enough room to set the screw. So you have to use this template to drill in the right spots. So that's that. And I thought I'd just show how long it takes to install a board. Now I'm running these boards wild. I'm gonna cut them off with a track saw when I'm done. But just to demonstrate the time and the method of installation. Here we go. So I got these spacers, these little duckboard spacers. It's a 1/4 inch. It's not really relevant, but anyway. So I set it there, and it has a little gap for the joist as well. So I set it here. Now, for the end, I don't have room to put that little joist spacer thing, and so I've just cut one on the table saw. On the chop saw, and so it's modified so it'll fit in the tight spots. So I'm just gonna insert this one. All right, so these little caps come in strips. You can separate the strips like that too, and they have the grain pattern on them, so you have to orient them the direction of the grain. Use a little harder hammer here, a little plastic hammer. Show you here. So I'm not doing all the deck boards, I'm just doing this one right now for the demonstration. So you can see that's where one of the caps are. And you can pull these up too. You can remove individual deck boards, but I don't think you can move them around. It looks like the screw kind of eats out the bottom of the deck, so you can take them up, but once you do, you gotta drill another spot. Anyway, and plug it again. But anyway, that's these Cortex fasteners. Work pretty good. I like them. They hold down the deck board a lot better than the clips, and you can remove one board at a time. So I think they're pretty cool.